The Indian Navy inducted the fourth and final unit of the Kamorta class, the INS Kavaratti, in Vishakhapatnam on October 23. In a hat tip to Tri-Services Joint Manship, the service got Army Chief General M.M. Narawane to commission the ship by unveiling the commissioning plaque and dedicating the warship to the nation. The 3,400-ton anti-submarine warfare corvettes, designed by the Navy's Directorate of Naval Design and built by the Garden Reach shipbuilders and engineers, are the shining examples of indigenous defense efforts. They feature homemade content of nearly 90%, among the highest for any Indian warship, because a bulk of their engines, weapons and sensors have been produced within the country. They were built using India-developed DMR-249A steel. Yet, as the Navy notes with a twinge of regret, the four warships are far from being fully functional. All four were commissioned between 2014 and 2020 without two critical items of equipment: a towed array sonar and surface-to-air missiles. A towed array sonar is a device which, when trailing behind a warship beyond the noise of its propellers, keeps an ear out for submerged submarines. A surface-to-air missile system protects the warship against threats from enemy aircraft, helicopters and anti-ship missiles. The ships are equipped only with two short-range AK-630 fast-firing guns which have a maximum range of 4 kilometers. The absence of SAMs means these corvettes will always have to operate under the air defense umbrella of other missile-armed warships. There are two stalled projects to blame. The Advanced Towed Array Sonar, designed and developed by the DRDO's Kochi-based Naval Physical and Oceanographic Laboratory (NPOL), is still undergoing development trials. The Navy, meanwhile, has shortlisted Germany's Atlas Electronic for supplying 9 active towed array sonar low-frequency towed array sonars worth 465 crore rupees. The contract is expected to be signed by March 2021. The corvettes were to have been equipped with the short-range SAMs, a joint venture between French missile maker MBDA and the DRDO's Missile Laboratory Defense Research and AMP Development Laboratory. The joint venture, floated in 2010 to build a series of short-range missiles called THE-MATRI for all three services to replace the DRDO's shelved Trishul SAM, did not take off and the missile project was shelved 6 years ago. Last year, the Navy began 8,800 crore rupees contest for buying new SR SAMs. It has received bids for short-range missile systems from Russia, Israel and France and is currently in the process of finalizing the trials of the three contenders. Besides the Kamorta class, the new SR SAM will also equip the Navy's sole aircraft carrier, the INS Vikramaditya, a handful of Rajput-class destroyers and future naval warships. However, it is going to be a few years before missiles will appear on any of the four warships.
Subscribe to Daily Defense and never miss any of our updates.